What's going on, guys? Thank y'all for watching Driver's Channel. We are pulling up at another event. I think this was gonna be a big one, guys, so stick around for this one. Waiting in an insane line of traffic to get in, but appreciate you guys watching. Hit that subscribe button while we wait to get in here, and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in there. All right, guys, we made it out here. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. Temp is dropping like crazy, but the turnout is wild. The cars are piling in here, so show you guys what we got real quick. Jump right in. My car made it out here in one piece. Not gonna lie, I was a little nervous after all the work I did to it, but if you guys haven't seen the previous videos of me throwing some of this carbon on there, y'all gotta go check it out. A couple other Supras here. Clean Mustang rolling in. Clean R33. This is a route I would have went if I would have had my way coming back from Japan. BRZ, FRS, still can't tell the difference. Clean what, R31? Don't see those every day. GTSX, that's really sweet actually. Still a really big car. Another Mark V, always good to see. GR Rolla. These cars are cool, but I don't think I could do it. Cool to see though. I think I know who this is, but I'm not sure. Looks like he's lower than me, so I need to go lower. Carbon fenders. Crazy tire setup. Shoot boys. Thing is wild. Car's still piling in here. That Mustang is insane. Boy, got the gap cam on there. I see you. Wow, a lot of Mark Vs out here. A lot of white Mark Vs. I might need to change it up. I always love a blob eye. All right, guys, so one of the themes of this event was Skyline, and they wanted to, you know, highlight the Skylines that popped out at this event. And I think we had a pretty good turnout. Some R35s, 33, R32, sounds so good. Another 33, looks like she's a work in progress, that's okay. GDR. Showed you guys this one earlier. So good.
You have more of like a bottom island. Everybody keeps thinking my cars are R30, so now
35 is insane. I've showed you guys that one before, but this one is good. Got the Watanabes on there, I think.
Maybe later.
Oh man, feels really authentic in there. Got some wood on top. Look at that. That's crazy. So good. Really cool to see. 570S. Love the blue. Car looks so fast. Mark V, can't walk past one of these. This look off is sweet. I think I've showed you guys this one before too, but got the wood in there. Nice. Such a good body style. Check out this Camry though. On the emotions, carbon mirror caps. Interior's crazy. Look at the armrest. Actually might be one of the cleanest interiors I've seen. The detail. Apparently he's got more in the trunk. That's sweet. Is that TV back there? A fireplace? What is that? It's crazy. This thing is so good, guys. I gotta figure out though, is this a BRZ or FRS? I guess I don't know enough about these cars to tell the difference, but supercharged, Adro, molded wide body. Like an aqua blue hardware on there, carbon trunk. Got another one here, guys. So this one's definitely an FRS. The white's popping. Carbon fender, got the Kansei wheels on there. Yellow Supra pulling in. Always good to see. This Genesis goes pretty crazy. I'm a pretty big fan of this body style, but bagging it with the brown wrap, that's good. Clean Mark IV pulled up. On the Meisties too, I see you. Yes, that's sweet right there. CTSV looks like a monster. You see the intercooler in there. That hood is wild. The stocks, these are some clean stocks from Caddy. 4-door too. And got the sun and the moon roof. Look at that tire on the back. Yeah, it's a spicy boy right there. C8's always cool to see. Wide body Scat, I'm guessing. Nah, it looks like a Hellcat. Love the color. An M4 comp though. Oh, I got the blackout plate on there. He's hitting. Yeah, we're gonna head out, guys. It's way too cold for us out here, but appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you guys saw some stuff you liked in the video. If there's anything you guys want to see, let me know down below. Hit the like, hit the sub, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Yo, real quick, I don't know if I showed y'all this mod, but look at the lighting in here. It's so good. I haven't seen it in a long time. I haven't really been in this car at night in a while, but I forgot how good it was. Freaking love it. If anybody ever thinks about doing, I don't know what they call this, mood lighting or whatever, do it, because it is a vibe. And that's it. I'm out.